Introduction. Reena is on her way to the Science Museum with her parents. She is an 8-year-old girl, ever so curious to learn more facts of science. Once inside the museum, she is overjoyed to see a number of scientific instruments. Now she wants to know who invented each instrument and what is its function. Her father and mother patiently answer all her queries. In this lesson, let us look at some important inventions and their inventors. Invention of steam engine. A steam engine is a heat engine that uses steam as its fuel and derives power from it. James Watt invented the steam engine in 1775. Invention of Airplane. The first aeroplane was designed and flown by the Wright brothers, Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright. On December 17, 1903, they piloted their first aeroplane 20 feet above a beach in North Carolina, USA. The flight lasted 12 seconds and covered 120 feet. Invention of printing press. Printing press is a device used for printing multiple copies of a text available on a paper. It was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in 1440. Invention of electric bulb. Electric bulb that gives us light is considered a revolutionary invention. It has made working in the dark convenient. Electric bulb was invented by the famous scientist Thomas Alva Edison in 1879. Invention of telephone. Telephone is a means of communication. It helps us talk to our relatives and friends living very far from us. Telephone was invented by Graham Bell in 1876. Invention of Dynamo. Dynamo is an electric generator that produces direct current. It is used to run big machines in industries. Dynamo was invented by Michael Faraday in 1831. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Steam engine was invented by James Watt in 1775. The first aeroplane was designed and flown by the Wright brothers in 1903. Printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in 1440. Electric bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison in 1879. Telephone was invented by Graham Bell in 1876. Dynamo was invented by Michael Faraday in 1831.